girl. Hi! Hi! I will mention the store later. There's a lot of fish here, guys. What is this fish? Uy, natakot siya din. Hi! Hinahabol pa rin niya. So this is the aquarium. They're selling a lots of fishes here. Favorite because it's very cutesy. See, it's very playful. And with flower horn.
Yes.
Oh. Say bye, Malos. Malos. Ah. Thank you, kuya. Aquarium. Yun lang yung pangalan. So, we're going to eat. Ano yan? This is the crispy tangerines. Gonna go here to Hot Bake. Tayo kumakain dito, di ba? Before, we used to eat here a lot before.
Ayoko magkanin. Parang gusto ko lang yung mga egg parata. Kuya, do you have egg parata?
So guys, there's a new ano to? Charcoal?
Charcoal shawarma.
Hi, Ate Sel. Welcome to my vlog again. Ayan na nga, dumating na ang aking order na pinakihihintay. Ang aking uniform, char.